moonlight through the pines, golden on the hills, dusty winding pathways, whispering the thrills. I hear the lonesome rivers calling me to roam. Every memory shining in this place I call my own. Oh, I wandered far, and I've seen the lights glow. Still there's something in those rolling fields that pulls my heart back home. Take me to those valley roads where the heartland's gentle breeze still blows, to the hills where my soul feels free. Country roads, bring me back there, please. Oh, carry me where the wildflowers grow. Country roads, I'm longing to go. Morning dew on clover, footsteps soft and slow, back porch serenades with friends I used to know. Sunset paints the sky in hues of warm embrace. I feel a peace no city lights can ever